Srimati Dr. Anuradha is a part of the first IVF center of the state and one of the first few in the country. Anu Test Tube Baby Center has relieved and gifted innumerable families, helping and blessing them with little bundles of joy. Her clinic offers various treatments including IVF, IUI, ICSI and fertility preservation. They delivered the first IVF baby of the state around 2 decades ago and to their credit have delivered the most number of IVF babies in the state of Telangana. Her patience has made all her patients feel welcome and safe as they have accepted this process of creating their own world through various medical procedures. A big welcome to Dr. Anuradha.